So today I'm going to be working on this issue here. User delete always returns success message if multi-site user exists. So I reported this bug 3 weeks ago. Essentially what happens is if you delete a user, in this case I called them Rando. I just created a user named Rando. And if you delete that user on a multi-site network, you can actually delete them. You always get a success message. So here's the first time I'm deleting them. WP user delete. You see the success message, and you know that user isn't actually shown anymore after deletion. But the second attempt to delete them here succeeds, or at least the message says they were. I suggested that if the user being deleted doesn't exist on the WordPress multi-site network, that we receive or we output some kind of message to that effect. So like the network user with some identifier wasn't found on the blog, the default blog, which is the context within which the WordPress CLI command is running. We did get a response here from a software engineer at WPCLI. It says Daniel Backhuber, and they seem to be in agreement that there should be some messaging. So I am going to I did review this guidance. Well, this isn't actually. So yeah, I've gone through kind of the steps to set up my local environment to be able to work with WordPress CLI. I really don't want to make this video about that. What's new to me actually is this bhat functional tests component. I have not used those in the past, although I have seen them, other people using them in tutorials or really presentations from recorded conferences. So this will be my first time actually using bhat, and yeah, I thought this would be a cool way to, it's marked as a good first issue. I thought this would be a good way to break into the get my feet wet with the process for, at least for WPCLI and making pull requests and such. Oh, and maybe it actually pull requests. Let me see. So you 212 closed. Field arrow. Cache command. Issues, and the issue was there. Warn when attempting to flash cache with URL on multi-site. Apparently I'm good at coming up with first good issues, because this was also labeled as a good first issue. And yeah, this was something I was just kind of wondering if about, and the end of this was also Daniel Backhuber tagged us as a good first issue, and then Jan Oosterndorp actually implemented it. So thanks to Jan for doing that, and I'm kind of motivated now to actually go forward with this other one that I thought would be helpful, which is I shouldn't have closed that. Just user delete. So that's what we're gonna go over in this video. The series is gonna be really me just trial and error in my way to try to get this first PR as part of WPCLI. I use this tool a lot. I really appreciate the work that people do to make it as useful as it is, and if I can make it 0.0001% better, and learn a few things in the process, I'm happy to.